Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and I have a little, it is only small and very samey little yarn haul to show you. Gary had to pop to the bank today. I actually managed to wash his wallet in the washing machine, and although everything was fine inside and it didn't shrink and his money was fine and all of that, it meant that his bank card, the magnetic thingy that remembers everything, is, or the chip, whatever, doesn't remember anymore. So sometimes you just have to stand there and key it all in. So I had to go in the bank and order a new one and sort of get people's Christmas money and stuff like that out. So we were in town, nobody around, and he needed some envelopes as well. So we popped in the shop, and pound stretchers there. So we just popped in and got a couple of bits. But as I say, it's not, I am still here. It's not a lot. Now, I got some of this before. I don't know if you remember this. Beautiful. It's called Melody. And this one is all kind of girly colours, obviously. Pardon me. And it is really fluffy. Beautiful fluffy yarn. And absolutely gorgeous and soft. It's really stuffed, this ball. It's really fat, which I like about it. And it's no, it's not machine washable. It's 150 gram. But it says machine washable, not applicable. Cool hand wash. That's what it says. But that's fine, because it was only going to be like a little fluffy blanket. But this is called Baby Soft Knitting Yarn. Don't know why they say knitting. It's a bit of a blasphemous thing to say. Because I shall crochet with it, of course. Now, I'm looking to see if it's got any info. Apart, like, no, that's just the gauge. It says you use size 8 needles, so it's obviously a chunky. It doesn't feel thick in its strand, but it's the fluffs, the fluffsy bits. But I was hoping for a colour at least. Oh, just a PLU number, which is 262561. But no lovely imaginative title, unfortunately, and no yardage. Look on this bit. It's upside down. Oh, it's upside down. I always manage. No, it's just an address. So, that's all she wrote, unfortunately. Well, all they wrote, anyway. Just British standards. It's 100% polyester. That's the only other thing on there. So, it's beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous colours? So, that's the one that I had already. I haven't made anything with it. I did intend to, but I must have made River. Oh, so many baby blankets that I really didn't do another, but I have enough later on, if I wanted to make a cot blanket. And then today I thought, you know what? I never did buy the blues, but look at that, isn't it just gorgeous? So it's blue and white. It's so fluffy. All of the rest of the gubbins that I just told you is exactly the same, because it's very sparsely, doesn't tell you enough. And this is 262561. I think it might be the same number, you know. But there is another number, ACE 502. So let's see what that one says. No, that's the same number as well. So they're not really very helpful when it comes to the numbers. So there's the purple, well, mauve and pink, pinky mauve, and the blues. And I did get I've got a few of those pink ones already, so I didn't buy any of that today. But I did buy a fair few blue, because I thought, you know, if I do it, it's going to be like a big snuggle blanket. And they come in these big old balls as well. So I've got 1, 2, let's pick this up. Whoa. 3, 4. What I like about them as well is they're all individually wrapped. 5. There's more. It must have fell out because I did buy more than 5. But there was at least 6. probably one that's rolled around the floor by now. And I also got some of these. Let's get these out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this one. And this one is just, look at that, it reminds me of ice cream. Let's get one out of the rustly cellophane. But yeah, look at that, it's just all the colours of like ice cream, isn't it? Look at those, aren't they beautiful? So obviously I saw this rainbow one and I just had to get that because it's just got everything in it. It's got minty green, which is kind of there. And it's a beautiful lemon, blue and pink. Just beautiful, and white of course. But that is it. You just can't believe how soft it is. Just so soft. Now the only thing I don't like about this is the washing instructions, because you know, personally I always put things in a wash bag and put them on a very delicate wash, and I don't know how that would fare, but it's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, I just had to get it because, you know, there's just so many possibilities that you can make with this just gorgeous baby yarn. Fluffy blankets and all sorts. But that was it. That's all I got. Just the blue. I won't turn it off. There we go. The blue and the multicolour, because I already had the pink one, pinky purple one. But love it so much, especially this one. Just dreamy. Look at those colours. It's fantastic. A part of me just wants to make my cushion out of it. Oh, I mustn't laugh. It hurts when I laugh. So yeah, so nice, isn't it? Anyway, just thought I'd get on and show you. It's from Pound Stretcher, and they are £2.99 a ball. So that's £3 for 150 grams of this. Ultra soft, just beautiful yarn. So yeah, make a great toy as well. I mean, the possibilities just endless, aren't they? With it, it's beautiful. Make a lovely cot blanket, pram blanket, laying on the floor blanket, putting over me blanket, anything. It's just so dreamy. So let's see if these numbers are identical again. Probably. Yeah, ACE 502 and 262561. So it's not very helpful, I'm afraid, when it comes to whatever colour this is or colour number. You know, I suppose, you know, you get, when you go to like a serious yarn store, you get all the little symbols that tell you all the right stuff. Just this one you don't, you know. But you do get this beautiful stuff. So yeah, I can't I don't know what I'm going to make with it yet, but it's there for the future, because River is this big at the moment, so you know, she doesn't need a cot blanket. And the boy one, the blue one, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, if I'm going to do anything for the boys or not. I did have this brainwave, but we'll see. At least the ideas are starting to come back, which is good. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. And I've got a feeling I have got some more yarn coming, but you know when you kind of been ill and you don't remember if you did do it or not. That's kind of where I'm at. It'll be a surprise if it arrives, won't it? So, bye-bye for now. Take care, stay safe, see you soon.